What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar, Seasallauto LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. I'm up here at my auntie house, man. We're about to work on this. What's it? 202? 01 Camry. And this ain't what this is about. This is your bar. Y'all know who I am. This is about this electronic jack, and well, we're just gonna see if it actually works. We're gonna get into it right after the intro. All right, so this is I had to see this in action. This is my first time using it, but I got it this far up. Y'all can see I'm already to the pitch well. We've got the light going. Got what's in there? Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Oh no, it's down. Okay. Down right now. There we go, right there. That's it. I can't believe there's a 12-volt motor that actually does it. It's plugged into the cigarette lighter.
Or you can hook it to the battery.
Oh, it's directed to the battery. That is insane. Okay. And y'all see it. Y'all see it. It's almost there. Didn't even beneficio. That was insane. I can't see it because I got big trucks, man, so I don't know if it'll be able to hold it.
Nah, this is only for car purpose.
But do they have one bigger for that?
They might make one, but this one right here is just car purpose.
We are at least an inch off the ground. That's all I wanted to see. Y'all see that? Well, it actually works. I don't know the name of this one, but we're gonna find it. We're gonna put a link down below. Symbol. All right, yeah, just electric car jack. Okay, listen, hey, it really does it. We're gonna have to get one and test this in other terrains, but I guess y'all know what time it is, baby. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and just to let you know, it really does work. Until next time, mi gente, be promo de beneficio siempre. Peace.